Want to remove iCloud from your Mac computer? We're here to help. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com. In this video, I'll be showing you how to delete iCloud from your Mac computer in 2 different ways. Now let's get started. The first method we'll be showing you for how to do this is through your computer's web browser. This method is the most quick and easy because you can remove your Apple ID and iCloud data from multiple devices in the same place. If you prefer, you can also remove iCloud from your Mac through your computer's system preferences. Skip ahead to the time listed on your screen if you'd like to use that method. To begin the first method, open your preferred browser and go to appleid.apple.com. Enter your email address and password to sign in. Now scroll down to your list of devices. Click on a device to view details about it. You'll see a small window pop up below. Click Remove to sign out of your Apple ID account on that device and remove iCloud data. To confirm, click Remove this Mac. Repeat these steps to remove any other devices you no longer want to use iCloud on. The other way you can delete iCloud from Mac is through the settings on your computer. To begin, click System Preferences. Then select iCloud. In the bottom left corner, click Sign Out. You'll be asked whether you want to keep certain important data on your computer, like contacts, calendars, and reminders. If you'd like to keep this data, click Keep a Copy. If you want this data removed from your computer, click each of the checkboxes on the left, then click Continue. If you'd like to keep your saved passwords and credit cards from Safari, click Keep on this Mac. If you don't want that data kept, click Delete from Mac. To confirm your choices, enter your Apple ID password, then click Continue. Now, just wait for your iCloud data to be removed from your Mac. That's everything you need to know to delete iCloud from your Mac computer. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.